Hi everyone. In this video, I will be walking you guys through a tutorial on how to use Blue Willow for image generation. We're gonna talk about some different stuff like pricing, prompt parameters, aspect ratio, negative prompts, and in the end, we're just gonna generate some images. So first of all, open your browser, then go to Blue Willow, go to their website. Now once you're on the website, click on this button, the try now for free on the top right corner. Here you will have to type in your full name and email address. After that, you will get a Discord invite and you will have to accept that invite and make sure you have a Discord account. After that, open your Discord. Now you will have to first create your own server and after that, go to Blue Willow server, scroll down and go to a rookie channel. Click on the Blue Willow icon and click on add to server. Now on here, select a server that you want Blue Willow to be added. For example, I want this server. Click on continue. Scroll down, click on authorize, and go to that server. Now, the first thing that we're going to talk about is the pricing. You can create 25 images for free, but after that, you will have to buy a subscription with the smallest one starting at $5 per month. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about are the versions. Blue Willow has currently 4 versions: version 1, version 2, version 3, and version 4. You can use any one of these by just typing in the prompt bar dash dash capital V space and 1, 2, 3, or 4 depending on what version you want to use. And if you don't put in that, Blue Willow will by default use version 3. You can use different versions to get different results and get the desired picture. Now the next thing that we're going to talk about are the aspect ratios. Blue Willow currently supports 3 aspect ratios: 1 to 1, 2 to 3, and 3 to 2. You can also change them by just typing in the prompt dash dash AR space, let's say 2 ratio 3. Or you can also type in 3 ratio 2 or 1 to 1, whatever you want. You can also type in the negative commands by just typing in the prompt bar dash dash no and then space and then write a keyword, let's say blurry face. Blurry face. Now we're going to try to generate some different images by using different versions and detailed prompts to get the best results possible. Well, for writing a prompt, I use a website called lexica.art and you can even use ChatGPT to give you a prompt. We're going to use both the methods. For example, open your browser, go to lexica.art, click enter. Now once you're here, search for an image that you want to create. Let's say I want to create a portrait of a man. Portrait of a man, hyper realistic, HD. Click enter. After that, scroll down and choose an image that you like and you want to create. Like, let's say I like this one. Just click on that photo and click on copy the prompt. Once the prompt has been copied, go back to your Discord server. Just type in /imagine and just paste that prompt here. Now I'm gonna make some changes to the prompt. Like let's say I want a man, so I'm just gonna put in ideal man. And you can also type in some different stuff like aspect ratios, negative commands, versions to use as I described earlier. Now just gonna add something else like ultra realistic, stick, high quality multi HD 4K 8K, and after that just click enter and it will generate the images. And here as you can see, it has provided me with 4 pictures as I have found on this lexica.art, and the results are pretty quite good. And if you like any one of these, you can just click on that. Like let's say I like the second one, just click on U2 and it will upscale that image for you here. And now you can use these photos. Now we're gonna use ChatGPT to create us a detailed prompt for creating a very good picture. So first of all, open your browser, go to a new tab, Go to chat.openai.com. Now, once we're at ChatGPT, we're gonna command ChatGPT to give us like a detailed prompt for making an example photo. Like, let's say, beautiful scenery. Can you give me a detailed prompt for a highly realistic scenery, or let's say of northern lights. Detailed prompt for highly realistic scenery of northern lights in very high quality. Click enter. So here it is given me a prompt. Just copy this prompt here, go back to a Discord server, type in slash imagine, and just paste that prompt here. Now just click on enter. As you can see, it has provided me with pretty beautiful pictures, as the prompt provided by ChatGPT was pretty much detailed. Now you can even create your own simple images by just typing in the prompt, like let's say a muscle car racing in the desert on a sunny day. Put in a comma, highly detailed HD 4K 8K, let's say hyper realistic. Click enter and it will generate the images. So here, as you can see, it has provided me 4 pictures of a muscle car racing through a desert. Well, this one looks the most realistic, so I'm just gonna upscale this one. As you can see, it has upscaled the photo for me, and it's a pretty good picture. So you can even use Lexica, or you can use ChatGPT, or you can even use your own prompts for creating images on Blue Willow AI. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.